What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I got into a conversation recently at a kids' party, actually. We were at the skating rink just yesterday, and we were talking about cryptocurrency. Mainly, we were talking about XRP, but it kind of flowed into where cryptocurrency stands and the mindset behind cryptocurrency right now. And it brought up a conversation. It brought up a topic that I thought that maybe I should express on YouTube as well, because I don't know how people feel about investing right now, but I do see a lot of people that are asking me the same questions. As crypto is more mainstream, more people are talking about it. The government is mentioning it and trying to implement it in ways that a lot of people didn't believe could be possible, right? And you just have higher and higher prices. Should you be into crypto right now, or should you be waiting for a massive pullback? And this is kind of where people are like, should I get in, should I not? Because altcoin season hasn't happened yet. And that's kind of where I stand, where I want to give my opinion on what you should be looking for. And honestly, it's not something you should be looking for the short term play out of really anything that has major conversation or utility right now. So I'll explain what I mean, but hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to check out my link for BTCC, is a platform that I've partnered with. They do up to 500x leverage trading. If you guys are interested in leverage trading, I don't ever recommend 500x, but if you can find the opportunity to do it, then go ahead. But make sure you protect yourself, because know that it's very easy in leverage trading to lose everything that you invest. When you trade outright, you buy it and you gain whatever you gain. When you leverage trade, you are risking what you have there for maybe a 20%. If a 20% loss happens, you could lose everything. If a 5% loss happens, you could lose everything depending on how high the leverage is. You can protect yourself with a 2x leverage, and that'll give you anything that's a 50% drop, then you'll lose everything, which means you have more room. So feel free to check out my link for leverage trading. You can also trade outright on BTCC. It's a great platform. You can get a 10% deposit bonus, as well as 10,000 extra dollars of extra bonuses, right, per user. And then 40% lower trading fees. So it doesn't hurt to really check it out. It is free to sign up. You just invest your money and you want to learn how to trade short term as well as long term. So check that out. Link at the top of the description. Anyways, the crypto market currently stands at a $3.46 trillion market cap, slightly down on the day. We're seeing that Bitcoin's dominance is increasing. It's at 55%, which is lower than the 56% the last time we talked about, but it still is at 50+%, meaning that we have still a lot of room to go when it comes to altcoin season happening. It's not altcoin season right now. So with that being said, with cryptocurrency at such a high price and such a high market cap, should you be investing into crypto? That's the question that we're going to be asking in a couple of seconds. Let me just go through a couple of things and where things are. Bitcoin is standing at 97,000. Ethereum standing at 3,600. XRP is at $2.37. Solana, $211. You have Dogecoin that's making moves as well. Well, it's slightly down on the day. A lot of things are actually down today. But Dogecoin is around the 40-cent mark. ADA is $1.10. Avalanche is at $41.88, and so on and so forth, right? I can go through all these different positions. And the reason why I went through that is just to kind of show you where things are compared to where things were. When I first started talking about cryptocurrency, I was at a middle point, right? Bitcoin was sitting at like, I think it was like 30 or 40,000 or something. Ethereum was pulling down. Well, it actually was on its way up. That was during the last bull market. I got in the middle of the last bull market, and then at the top of it, I still wanted to continue to invest, but I saw where it was. But then I invested more as it got back down to my cost basis and even lower, right? So I went through a bull market, went through a bear market, understand all of that stuff and understand where Bitcoin was. But now Bitcoin is at a level of $100,000. Ethereum is at 3,600. XRP is at prices that we haven't seen in a very, very, very long time, right? So this is where this brought up this conversation is like, the question that was asked is how much XRP should I buy? And I was just like, Well, I mean, you can buy XRP, but the mindset has to kind of be a different mindset than what we've had before, sort of. If you're looking for that short term play within it, yes, you'll probably see larger gains within it short term. I expect to see, tens of dollars. I expect to see $100 or so, right, in certain time frames. But the way that I'm looking at it is a lot more long term because right now I'm in a spot to where I don't believe it's going to come back down to 50 cents, meaning that no matter what, I will be up on my play a massive amount. Now, I did reinvest, so it would have to come down to $1.22, which I still believe that is a strong point for XRP to be at. Even if it does come back down to that point, it's still very, very strong, and know that there's so much room above. Right now, if you are investing now, you have probably 40 cents of room from where we are to where the high point was. Not saying the high point is only going to be at $2.80. It's going to be a lot higher, but you have no more room for kind of error. So the way that you have to look at it, you have to have a different mindset for cryptocurrency overall, because Bitcoin is at $100,000. So if you're buying Bitcoin at $100,000, you have to really be into it to say that this is going to get to 200,000 because you invested way later compared to the people that bought at 16,000 or 20,000 or 30,000, right? Or even people that bought earlier than that, or were mining it way back in the day, right? And mining it now. So you obviously had it at a lower price and you're gaining so much more in the end from, when you started back then. Right now, you would be investing into it at a higher point with a little bit more risk, a lot more risk, sitting at a $3.4 trillion market cap. Now, I don't want to scare anybody and say that you're not going to make any money, because I do think that the crypto market is going to be solid. But what these times tend to do for people is they invest into the crypto market thinking that they're going to make the same amount that I'm making or the same amount that other people are making. But in order for them to make the same amount, they have to buy the same amount of coins, which could mean that for you buying Bitcoin, let's say it was $20,000, now it's sitting at $100,000, you now have to buy like 5 times what this person bought to get the same amount of coins. So if you wanted to buy one Bitcoin, it was $20,000. You want to buy one Bitcoin now, it's $100,000. You both have one Bitcoin. This person is risking a heck of a lot more because they put in $100,000 rather than the $20,000. This person is already sitting on $80,000 worth of a gain, meaning that yes, that $100,000 is total, it's theirs, but their initial investment was a lot less. Do you know what I mean? Like it's a different feeling when you buy in early versus when you buy in middle stages or late. So the mindset has to be a lot more long term than it can be for the short term and these larger gains that you're hoping for. Right? Not saying you're not going to make any money. I'm sure people will make a ton of money, especially as we see altcoin season. Like, look at Ethereum. Ethereum hasn't hit its all-time high. Bitcoin has hit its all-time high multiple times, but Ethereum hasn't hit its all-time high. XRP has hit its all-time high market cap-wise, but hasn't hit its all-time high price. Solana has hit its all-time high market cap-wise, and I believe it got close to the price. BNB still isn't at the all-time high, so you have many different opportunities altcoin-wise to see it flourish. So there's still a lot of room on the table this bull market, but it doesn't mean that you have to get everything out this bull market. Now, I will tell you, anything that's meme coin related, that's not something that you probably want to just say, oh, I want to hold on to this for absolute ever, right? Yes, you may have a certain amount that you want to hold on to forever and say that this could be worth a lot more, but majority of your coins for meme coins, meme coins are short term. They're short lived, right? Except Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, everything else, and maybe even Pepe, everything else will be short lived because it's all about what people can gain in prices that they can hit. Once they hit that price, $1 or something, then now a bunch of people are getting out. That's what meme coins are all about. Utility coins, it's a whole different story. Things like XRP, things like BNB, Solana, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Tron, Avalanche, many others. You want to look at those and say, what could this be? How could it be implemented? And where can this go? Right? So anyways, Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think about my breakdown. Let me know if it was confusing. I know you have to have a different mindset right now, and sometimes things can be very confusing, especially if you are just getting into crypto right now, because it's in the news. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out my links for BTCC down below if you guys are interested in leverage trading. It could give you a leg up if you are doing maybe a 2x or 3x leverage and being able to make a decent amount of money with it. Guys, I'm going to get out of here. I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.